I work in the Austin Civil Department and Construction Phase Services. Today we went on a bike tour and to visit the sites that are currently in construction or sites that have previously been constructed.
Year 4 of the bike tour, it's one of my favorite events of the year. It's a great turnout today. There's 30 of us maybe, really big biking group, safely biking through the east side of Austin. I think we're hitting 10 different projects maybe, which is more than we've had in the past. The bike tour has steadily grown from maybe 4 or 5 projects to 10 or so this year, so it's awesome. And some of the projects we're visiting now were ones that we've visited over the past couple years, so we've got to kind of fill in the blanks of what's happened since.
I don't think a lot of people realize how much of an impact we have on the city. Coming back to the office, between about 3 blocks, we had 5 projects. Great.
Being new to Austin, it's really great to see all the different contracts we've had around here, all the different projects we've done, and then to intertwine all these really great local spots to just stop and see these bars and just the area. I've never seen anything like this.
It's really almost a history lesson to see around the sites that we're working on, hear the history of how the development is happening, and so it was educational. It was also very good to network. I got to talk to people that I ordinarily wouldn't talk to necessarily in the office or encounter, and we're doing physical activities, so we're promoting health and awareness and having a beer and just enjoying the camaraderie.
Would you be on this bike tour next year if it were ever to occur in 2022?
I'd be on this bike tour for every year that I'm with WGI.